Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas is moving in this zone. Okay, and chances are very high that if the price started going above a level of $2.165, we can see it will cross this particular level and it can move above a level of 2.29, which is the half this zone. So we can see there will be a higher probability of going further upside. But if the price didn't sustain, it can move towards a level of $1.99 and then it can fall further low. Okay, but if the price sustains, see there is a U pattern forming. If the price keeps sustaining above a level of $2, a further high we can see, and there will be a probability of going further upside. But as soon as the price breaks below a level of $2, a further fall we can see. I'm going to show a 15-minute chart also because it is very important if you're trading in gas now, because there is a lot of volatility we have seen. See, after making half around 2.14, there is a continuous fall. Okay, this was the range. As soon as the range breakout happens, we have seen again a fall and then a particular rise. So decide your quantity as per that, because we have seen a good volatility today after 6 o'clock. Okay, and then chances are, see, you have to understand something, that most what natural gas is doing, it moves in a zone. Okay, and then there is a zone breakout happens, again moves in a zone. But what is happening now, that after moving in the zone, it makes a sharp fall and then try to cover up. This is what we are looking at, because you can see that people are trading in good quantities here and the volatility is also good. Now the price is trading from so long in the zone of around this particular level. Okay, this is the zone. So understand, you have to understand, as soon as the price started going below $2, a further downfall we can see, and then we can see it will come in this zone again. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, if you look at the dollar index also, what we have seen, dollar index after making a low of around $103.6, it came upside. Okay, and trying to sustain above this level. If the price started going above a level of 104.5, then we will see this can break this particular zone and further upside we can see. Okay, then the natural gas price will come down. But if it is not coming down, see, sometime what happen, they both moves in one direction. So in order to reduce your uncertainty, try to put the SL. Okay, and once you start in profit, try to trail your SL. This is what you should be doing the best. But if the price started moving below a level of $104, we can see there will be a fall in the dollar index, then the price of natural gas can further rise. Okay, and this again sometimes moves in the same direction. So always try to set the SL. This is what I'm saying, because it will save your capital. You have to understand, if you're saving your capital, that is very important. So now suppose if the price sustain this level, because see, market is uncertain, see if it is going in both the direction. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this level, it can go towards a level of $2.0903. Okay, if the price moving above that particular level, chance of going towards 2.11 we can see. If the price is again, if it started going above a level of 2.11, we can see it will cross a level of around $2.15, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high it will cross that level and it will go towards 2.17. Okay, if the price moving above that particular zone, we can see it will go towards $2.25, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards $2.3. This is the zone. So if the price moving above that particular zone, we can see it will touch a level of 2.45, and from there a further upside towards $2.59. Okay, keeping that in mind, as soon as the price started hitting above 2.5, a further upside movement we can see. Now if the price didn't sustain, because see, it is in the zone, so as soon as the price started going below this level, a further fall we can see. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $2.0469. If that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards $2.0132. Okay, chances are very high that if the price started falling below this level, it will fall below a level of $2 and can go towards $1.98, and from there a further fall we can towards a level of around 1.8870. Okay, if the price falling below a level of 1.8870, we can see a level of 1.8497, Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 1.8. Okay, if the price falling below that particular level, we can see it will fall towards 1.72 and then further low. Again I repeat, if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of 1.98, and from there a further fall we can see towards 1.9029 dollars. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards a level of around 1.846 dollars, and from there a level of 1.8. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,